Hello everyone. Today is our third lecture. In the first lecture, we come to know the different things of electrical engineering, uh, AutoCAD, AutoCAD electrical, and in the second lecture, we come to know the civil layout, how we can draw the civil layout by using AutoCAD, and in this lecture, we came to know how we can draw the fittings and fixture layout by using AutoCAD electrical. For electrical engineer, this course is very important because by using this software, you can draw anything. In this course, we just draw any view, that means top view, side view, or front view. But in the another thing, you can draw all the view. That means 3D drawing is possible by using software. So it is very important. If you come to know, you can do it. So let's start. So firstly, we start our software, AutoCAD electrical. The software is start, and here we select the open file because the previous class we draw the civil layout which we need to open. So this is the civil layout. Okay. The fittings and fixture layout is also draw, but in today's class we draw the fittings and fixture layout. That's why we delete this. So first of all, we need to see the civil layout and copy the civil layout. Okay. So copy and paste. So we need to paste it is some distance from the main diagram, and you have to see the main diagram, which is this is the fittings and fixture layout. Okay, so here you can see there is no dimension, so we need to delete all the dimension. So firstly we delete all the dimension. That's why we just select and press delete, select and just press delete. And in this drawing you can see that there is no room name. That means room name also delete. So go here and just delete the room name. Washroom also delete. All the things delete. And the next duty for us is just create this type of symbol. We can see here are different symbol, and that is fan. Fan symbol is that, and there are many symbol. There are many symbol. We just use some amount of symbol, but there are big list of symbol which we provide, and you get it by go the description in this video. So firstly draw the fan. Here this you can see the dimension of fan. So what is the dimension? Here there are two circles. This is the outer circle and this is the inner circle. The outer circle radius is 2 feet and the inner circle radius is 3 inches. So we need to draw these two circle, and there are three line. This line divide this main circle into three section, and this three section is same. So let's start to draw this. Firstly, we draw the circle. So firstly, we need to on the offset up. If you go this, you can see all the line. This means end point. You can see extend point. All the same. You need to press OK. So just press circle and specify the main point, the base point, and the circle radius is 2 foot. And what is inch? 0 inch. And you need to draw this the outer circle, and you need to do the inner circle. So again press circle, and here this is the center point. Just press center point and again give the radius. The radius is 0 foot and what is inch? This is the 3 inch. Okay. So we get these two circle. This is the outer circle, this inner circle, but there are some line, three line, and this three line divide the total circuit into three section. So we need to divide this. So how we can do this? We can do by using divide command, divide. We can get this and just press it. Here we can see it's a the select object, and then it's a what is the number of segment? The segment is 3. This circle is divided into 3 sections, but you cannot see this. Yes, this section, and go this another section, this another section. Okay, so we get the 3 section. So this is our fan symbol. So there are many fan, that means 1 2 3 4. That's why we need to save this object. So how we can do this? By create object. Here again we can see this is create. Just press create and pick the pick point. This is the pick point. Let this is the pick point and select object. Just press the right button of the mouse and select the object, and then again press the right button. Now to select the object, you need to enter. The object is select. Now you need to give the name of object. So the object name is fan. You have the different fan, so you can specify it is ceiling fan is. So okay, it is complete, and now press OK. The object is create, and that's why you can delete it. How we can go the create object? By going insert point, we can understand the point, and that is this is ceiling fan. Okay. So the fan is located on the center point of any building. So approximately this is the center point. And this washroom, and in washroom there is no fan need. There's another fan. This is the center point, and this room is very big. That's why we need to give 2 fan. But we can see from our drawing here, we can see that there are 2 fan. Okay. So there are 2 fan. This one fan, and there is another fan. The room is very small. That's why we do not give any fan in this room. Now let's move. This is the lintel level light. So to draw the lintel level light, this is the dimension of lintel level light. This is the dimension of lintel level light. Uh, in this dimension, we can see there is an arm, and this arm is 1 inch, and the circle of this arm, which is connected to the circle, this is 6 inch. So let's start to draw. Firstly, we draw the circle. Okay, the circle is 6 inch. Okay, the circle is complete, and you can see there is an arm, and this is 1 inch. So take the line command, and you need to, this is perpendicular, so take orthogonal mode on, ortho mode on. Okay, and this is 1 inch, so give the value 1 and just press enter. Your line is okay. Sorry, I think there is a problem. I think it is not 1 inch, it is I think 1 feet exactly. That's why the line is very small. So we just delete it, or we can modify it. No problem, we just delete it. And take line command, and it is I think 1 feet. So our lintel level height is complete to draw. Now we just keep a block. That's why we just select the create command and just give pick point, select object, and just press enter. So now we need to give the name of this object. This is lintel level light, so LL, and the power rating you can say the 0.5 ampere. So okay, we can get this lintel level light, and its power rating is 0.5 ampere. So it is very easy. We can delete this. This lintel level light we need to place everywhere. And firstly we draw all the thing. There is also tube light, so we can draw the tube light also. There's a tube light, there is socket, there is socket, this tube light, and there's a socket. So to draw the tube light, here it is the dimension of tube light. This is the dimension of tube light. There's a line which is 6 inch, and from the midpoint of the line is connected by a 4 feet line. Okay, firstly we draw the two 6 inch line, and which is parallel to each other. So first draw this, just draw 6 inch line. The line is 6 inch. This is a line, it is 6 inch. And we can draw this at another line at 4 feet distance by using offset command. So offset distance is, sorry, this is offset, and offset distance is 4 feet. 4 feet 0 inch. I think offset do not work. Okay, no problem. Firstly, we take object. I take object, and we just give distance, and it is 4 feet and 0 inch. So we need to select the object. Just select the object, and here it is our object. Here we can see these two line is connected by a line which is 4 feet long. So you need to know the midpoint of this line. This is the midpoint. So our tube light is okay. You can create a block. Just go tube light, and you can give the power level, and power is 0.5 ampere. Let's. So first we need to give the peak point. This is the peak point, and this is the select object, and okay. Now our object is ready to use. This is our tube light, and we need to draw socket. This is a 15 ampere socket. This socket is used for running a heavy load. That means the heavy load will be a fridge or AC, something like that. And this is the distribution board, and this is the switch board. So firstly we draw all the thing. So this is the socket, 15 ampere socket. So firstly we draw the 15 ampere socket. Let's try to understand the dimension of 15 ampere socket. And this is the dimension of 15 ampere socket. The circle is 6 inch. The circle is 6 inch. And there is a three arm connected which have 1 feet long. One feet long, that means this is the 1 feet long. And here we can see there is not single arm, there's three arm. Okay. So we take this arm here and we can draw this arm up and down. And the distance may be 2 inch if you give, just no problem. Just let's say firstly select the object. Okay, our line is okay. Here we can see there is a extra line, so you can trim this. Okay, we can save it in the name of 15 ampere socket. So just create SOCKET 15 ampere socket. This heavy socket, heavy load, or we can just write heavy load. This heavy load. This is the peak point, and this is the total object. Press enter. This fully create. You just go. This is the socket. Okay. All the things is create except distribution board and switch board. So we need to know the dimension of distribution board. This is the dimension of distribution board. 1 foot 8 inch. This is the length. So firstly, take a rectangle. This is the length 1 foot 8 inch. Tab 1 foot 8 inch, and the length is wide is 10 inch. This or distribution board. Distribution is okay. Just a cross sign is happen inside a distribution board. So take line twice time, our distribution board is ready. And this is the switch board. The line length of the switch board is 1 foot 6 inch. So first draw it. You can delete this, no problem. Oh, sorry, distribution board, we know to make this block. So firstly create, just write distribution board, distribution board. Pick point, this is the distribution board, then select object, enter. Okay. Here we get the distribution board. Okay. So I think there is many objects there, so we can delete some object. So we can see these are distribution board, and we come to know this our switch board. So what is the switch board length? It is 1 feet 6 inch. This is our switchboard length, and for draw this we just take rectangle. And what is this length? 1 feet 6 inches. Just tap and go to another stage, and it is 9 inches. So this is our switchboard, but you can see the switchboard is highly colored. So how you can do this? We can do this by hash command. We just take this or select this. I think this is okay. The distance of this line is very small, that's why we can increase the distance. So okay, the distance is increased, but it is not too much. This is now we can see the distance is increased. Okay, now it is okay for us. We can just select and just write switchboard is WITCHBOARD. Okay, and just select pick point and select the object. Okay, then click OK. We just delete two things. Now we can draw it properly. Firstly, we give to light. Here, firstly, we need to give a linter level light. Linter level light. The linter level light place is here. So we need to rotate this. Specify the base point. Okay. We just copy and paste here our linter level light. Done. Then there another linter level light we need to give here. There tube light, but we can give tube light here, no problem. We can just give here and there, no problem. Okay, no problem. And similarly for this room, okay, done. And there I think two linter level light is required. This is linter level light. Okay, done. And the next is tube light. This is our tube light. And in the linter level light, this is draw in this wall, so we can give tube light in here, this wall. We can follow this diagram if company highly say that you need to directly follow this diagram, then this time you just follow it, or you can use the rule as well. Okay, here is a linter level light, that's why we just give a tube light in another wall. So we just need to rotate our tube light. That's why we need to use rotate command. Specify the base point, this rotation, and just copy and paste here. Okay. Oh, there is no linter level light in washroom, so you need to also a linter level light in washroom. Clear? And there is also tube light here. We can give the lintel level light here, and we can give the switchboard diagram here. We just give tube light, two tube light. Okay, just here one tube light, and give another tube light here. Okay, okay, done. All the room have tube light, and only distribution board is required. Distribution board and switch board. Oh, there is also high ampere rating switch socket required, not switch socket required. Here we can give a socket for AC. Then need to AC because it's master bedroom, this bedroom. That's so we can give a socket here. So this is our socket. There is, the AC cannot run by a ordinary socket. That's why we need a extraordinary socket, and here it is high ampere current rating socket. This is socket, and this is our socket. We can give, you can feed the AC here or here in this wall. That's why we need to move. So we can use rotate command, just a specific base point and rotate. So we can fit here, just okay. And for you using freeze, we can use this socket here. So all the thing is okay. For 15 ampere socket is okay. And this room is very small, that's why there is no required socket. You can just give a fan, because without fan it is difficult to survive in summer season. Just give a fan in the middle place, but a small fan is required. So all the thing is okay. And then we feed the switchboard. This is the switchboard sign. So switchboard is near to the door, because after enter the room, we need to on our light. So that's why it is required very near to the door. So these are switchboard. In the case of washroom, the switchboard is outside the washroom. So just place the switchboard here. Okay, this is the switchboard. Again, this switchboard place here near the door. And also there require another switchboard, and here the switchboard is here. Done. And they require another switchboard, and that is in this wall, but that's why we need to rotate it. So press enter, select this point and rotate. Just copy and paste here. This is our door. So okay, done. So we can see there is three socket, and there is a different switchboard. Now we need to give name all the thing. So okay, we just give name all the thing. So firstly give name to the switchboard. This our number one switchboard. They say we give one, but our text size is very high. That's why we just select and reduce the height. I think it is 1 feet is enough. Close and just take another text, and it is 1. Okay, so I think this time it is very small. This is number one switchboard, and it is number two. Okay. Then it is number three. And it is number four. It is number five. So all the switchboard number is okay. Now we give the socket which is connected to the directly distribution board. So first we give the distribution board, and this distribution board. Distribution board is, let us, okay, done. The distribution board. There are three socket, 15 ampere socket. So we just give numbering 15 ampere 2, because it is a two number socket and it is one number socket. Number one socket, just give 15 ampere and one, that is number one socket, and it is number three socket. So okay, all the socket number is clear, and we need to give the lintel level light. So this lintel level light is connected to the switchboard 2. That's why the name of this light is LL, because it is lintel level light. And which number of board? It is 2 number board. So okay, now there's another lintel level light which is connected 1 number switchboard. So the number is 1. Okay. Now we give the washroom light number. And it is connected to the 3rd number switchboard. So it is LL3. Now it is connected to the 4th number switchboard. That's why we give LL4. It's very easy. Then there one lintel level light is remain. So we just give it is 5 number, because it is connected to the 5 number switchboard. So okay, our lintel level connection is done. Now one is remaining, and it is fan. Just we give fan, not we just write full level FAN, not we just write F, and the connected board is 2, and then it is fan. Here in the one board there's 2 fan connected, so fan on and fan 2. So right here, fan on, wire connected, board on. Done. And then next there's a fan 2, wire connected with board 2, sorry, board 1. And this fan 2, this fan 4. So okay, and this is a fan 5. So all the thing is ready. Okay. So I think there is no item is remaining. And the final work is just write this thing. So we can write this. This is a total our module. Sorry. We firstly write this. First device, symbol, and drawing. So we just write text device device. Here we need to give big value. That's why we can select 2. Sorry. We just select 2. Okay. We just write device device. Then write symbol. I think it is symbol. Yes, symbol. Symbol and just give drawing. Okay. Now I write fan. Just write it. Do not require any numbering. Fan. What is the symbol? Just write F. Okay. And what is its symbol? The fan symbol is this. This is very important because by using that, any technician can understand your work. So it is very important. And the next thing is lintel level light. That's why we just write here lintel level light. And the symbol is LL. And the lintel level light definition is this. Okay. And 15 ampere socket. Firstly, write is OCK, it is socket and it is 15 ampere. And the symbol is SS or 15 ampere. You just write anything which you want. Just write SS socket or the symbol will be 50 ampere. Okay. And what is the symbol? Sorry, what is it? Drawing. And the drawing is this is his drawing. And then tube light. tube LIGST. Oh, there is a problem. We do not give any tube light mention. So we just write tube. Which number should be connected? 2. So just write 2. But we need to settle down our spelling height. So firstly, we write down this. Okay. Just write T. And what is its symbol? The symbol is this. And then the remaining is switchboard and distribution board. Switchboard. And the symbol is B. And this is the distribution board. This is the distribution board, okay? So what is the symbol? This dB. And just this is our distribution board. Now we give the fan number, sorry, tube light number. So firstly, we just select the annotation, then go to manage style and into select here, it's 1 feet. Okay. So first take tube light with switchboard is connected. So this 2 number, just give 2. Okay. And there is another tube light. Just we can copy and just place. We just change it. And similarly, another copy for another tube light. This is, oh sorry, this is not 3. This is 1 because the switchboard number is 1. This is 4. And the switchboard number is 5. So I think all are okay. And oh, sorry, there another tube light too. So how we can do this? We can do add, and there is 2 tube light. That's why this 1 tube light, and here it is another tube light. So all the thing is okay. Now in the surface, this our symbol, and in the above side of drawing we just write in big style, just we can give it 3 feet or 4 feet. Okay, it is fittings and fixture layout. If FITTING is fittings and fixture, just set FIXTUR fixture layout. So okay, our design is fully ready. You can print it by just give print command, select Microsoft Print to PDF. That is in C, just take portrait and letter size A4 display, which is need to display. We need to just select it and okay. And just write, because this random name PPP. Our system is okay. Now go PPP, and this is our drawing. Okay, I think everybody enjoy my class. You can see in the next class. So goodbye.